Are you excited? You ought to be. This is one killer GTO. It's a 1970 Pontiac Historical documented, born black with the red interior, number match motor with the performance build on it, 400 engine, and there's a factory 4-speed, has upgraded suspension, custom wheel. This is a nice GTO. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find 200 classic cars. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for now, join me. Let's go for a spin. All right, let's check this rubber bumper before it gets away. All looking really nice. It does have a few of the typical hairline cracks in the paint. The bumper itself is excellent. The hood is straight and beautiful, has the dual GTO scoops, nice and square. All this is nice and smooth. Right down to the bottom, it's all smooth, beautiful. It's like a mirror. Shuts real nicely, all smooth, straight as an arrow, mirror finish, gorgeous, right down to the bottom. Trunk looks great. All this is looking really nice, smooth, shiny. It's not cracking. I don't see any issues. Beautiful, straight black paint job. I think it's called Starlight Black. Now, Pontiac Historical Service, they have the microfilm. They can look up the original records. This is absolutely a factory black with red interior car. This is stunning. Now, the judge stripes were added. It's a decal, just gives it a little bit more pop. It's not a judge. But I think those stripes look great on this car. So to continue on, this paint on this side, beautiful, door shut nice, lines up square and flush, right down to the bottom, all nice, good looking. Windshield, real clear, looks like that's been replaced. Headlight bezels look very good, probably a 7 out of 10. The grills look real nice, no issues. No bumps on the nose, looks really good. T3 headlamps, well, one's been replaced. Has the Rally 2 wheels. They look like they're a little bit wider. Has the Pontiac lug nuts and center caps, nice shiny trim rings, wrapped in BF Goodrich tires. The vinyl top's in excellent shape. I don't see any bumps or rust underneath it. The rear window is actually very clear for a good original window. The moldings look like they're original. They're very straight. They could be polished a little brighter, but they're very nice. Back bumper is bright and shiny. Tail lights look really good. So as one good looking car, let's get inside and check that out. Paint job's gorgeous. I wanted to point out, I did see a little spot right there. I think something dripped on it, but beautiful slick paint. Under the trunk lid's painted up nice. They put the stickers on it. The jamb is nice and shiny. Has weather strip. Inside is clean and complete. Rock solid, spatter painted. Has a jack, a spare, tire cover, mat. It's a nice trunk. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon so you're notified when these videos are posted. Again, the colors, I don't have to tell you. You can see that the colors are sharp. And that does make the car more valuable. Absolutely. Jambs are clean. Weather strips have been replaced. Door panels look brand new, including the armrest and the handles. Red dash is in real nice shape. You got wood grain around the gauges. Does have the optional gauges, if you can see them in there. And then the factory tachometer is over in this spot. All this is nice, not beat up. Heater control panel looks good. It has a retro stereo fit in the factory spot. Has the machine turn trim that looks real nice. Got some molded kick panel speakers down here to go with the stereo. Reproduction Pontiac mats. Underneath that is nice red carpet. We have the GTO console, the 4-speed console. It looks really nice with a Hurst 4-speed shifter. Seats themselves, a good cushion, upholstered very nicely. They're not all wrinkled. Headrest looks good. Back of the seat looks good. Got the reproduction mats in back. We got the original seat belts for everybody. And this all looks great back here. The seat's upholstered. The side panels are real nice. The mesh tray, speaker tray is in excellent shape. Headliner's in excellent shape. Working dome light. We got shoulder belts. We got matching visors. Nice original mirror. I like the deluxe. Must be a reproduction because it's in excellent shape. Deluxe steering wheel. So yeah, pretty sharp looking interior. 4-speed, gauges, console, deluxe wheel, floor mats. And this is the original number match 400 motor. And in 2022, it was rebuilt at a cost of $9,800. Everything inside, pistons, crank, rods, that was all replaced. This thing was balanced, bored, decked, honed. Now it has a set of Edelbrock aluminum heads, aluminum intake, and it looks like a Holley double feed carb with electric choke. There's a billet distributor in the back that looks like that was probably replaced at the time of the rebuild. Has a set of nice headers down there. And all this is clean metal, all looks nice, smooth, tidy. It's a pretty clean engine compartment, not a lot of clutter. Squirters are hooked up. Just smooth, clean, the way it should be. You got the shroud. The battery does have a disconnect switch. Anytime you leave the car or go away out of town, you shut that off. Chrome alternator, power steering, power brakes. And now Michael's going to take you for a drive and show you how a $9,800 motor runs.
All right, everybody. Got a totally sweet GTO here today. Numbers matching, 400 under the hood. This thing runs great. Sounds amazing. Very nice exhaust with the X pipe. Very, very healthy and happy. Got the Muncie 4-speed manual. Just can't beat that combo. We're sitting pretty in this nice red interior. Seats feel great. Everything's been redone. Going over the bumps with ease. All the steering components have been redone. The brake components, suspension, everything like that. This is a fantastic car. I have had a chance to loop it around the block, and she performs fantastic. It's a chilly day here, so we're gonna go real easy on her, but let's see what she's got. All right, guys. More than adequate acceleration there. Absolutely love it. Just up to over highway speeds with absolutely no issue. Let's see how she goes down the street here. I set her up a little bit left, but very good overall. Nice Bluetooth radio in this one, some modern amenities. Power steering, power disc brakes. It's a really fun experience overall. Very nice brake pedal there. Yeah, the body on this one is just laser straight. Freaking awesome paint. Let's hear that exhaust real quick. Heck yeah. So our shop checked this car out top to bottom. We only had to bill about $1,200 on it. minor tinkering stuff. If you need all the details on that, definitely check out our website. There's a full listing. But yeah, come test drive it. Great car, really fun. Nice originality there with the 400. And just a really good time. Contact our sales department. They'll be more than happy to arrange a test drive for you. Or if you don't have time to do all that, you can always hire a third-party inspector as well. We can give you a thorough report on it. If you're not familiar with one of those, we can recommend a couple different ones to you. But yeah, as I see it, absolutely fantastic experience. Tons of fun. Quick little car here. Check out all the details on volocars.com.
So we're not done yet. There's a lot of good stuff underneath this car. Completely rebuilt steering and suspension with a lot of upgrades. Up front, big fat tubular control arms with coil over adjustable gas shocks. That's why it has that nice lowered stance. Big fat sway bar with polyurethane bushings. In back, it has thick boxed control arms with extra supports, fat sway bar, Bilstein gas shocks, nice custom exhaust, fat pipes, has an X pipe in the middle, Flowmaster mufflers, and it still has the quad tips coming out through the valence, the GTO tips. Fuel tank isn't brand new, but it was replaced at some point in the recent past. Floors are nice, clean metal. They look smooth and clean. Disc brakes in front, drum in back. That system's been gone through. The e-brake cables have been replaced. The rear wheels look even wider than the front. Nice stance, nice tire size, everything about it. Looking up at the motor, that's where you see the VIN number of the motor is down low. It has its numbers matching Muncie 4-speed transmission, and it has 355 posi gears in the rear end with an aluminum cover on it. Pretty neat car right here. This is special. This is different than the others that are out there. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer whatever questions you have the best they can, including how to get this delivered to your garage and how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.